Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Honestly, before Big Boss, nobody knew who I was, and nobody knew I existed also. So Big Boss gave me this sort of identity, I would say. And पहले सिर्फ I was known as Kumar Sanu's son. A lot of people didn't even know that my dad has a son. I've spent a lot of nights waiting outside people's offices. मैंने सीढ़ियों पर रात गुजारे, गराजेस में रात गुजारे मैंने, एंड यही अपॉर्चुनिटी वेट कर रहा था कि एक बार मुझे सुन लीजिए. I'm good with it because I honestly wouldn't want to waste my time talking about it because talk about her.
John, welcome to eTimes TV. How are you?
I'm great.
Big Boss was like a turning point of your career, जहाँ पे सब ने पूरे दुनिया ने कह सकते हैं ग्लोबली भी आपको देखा, आपकी आवाज सुनी. How has things changed for you after that, John?
I think everything changed after Big Boss. Life has become something that I always dreamt of having, like this certain I have fans now. That's a wonderful thing. That's something that I feel very happy to say that yaar mere bhi fans hai. And yeah, Big Boss changed everything for me. Big Boss changed my life in a way that I could have never imagined. And it put me on the map. People today, they recognize me when I go out. They want to take photos with me. They compliment me. They give me their love, their blessings, and it feels very heartwarming because honestly, before Big Boss, nobody knew who I was, and nobody knew I existed also. So Big Boss gave me this sort of identity, I would say. And पहले सिर्फ I was known as Kumar Sanu's son. A lot of people didn't even know that my dad has a son. But after Big Boss, I am known by my own name, and it feels very good. It feels very heartwarming, and इतने प्यारे प्यारे लोगों से मेरी मतलब connections बनी. So I'm very glad about it. I'm very grateful.
So you tell me कि अगर career wise, singing wise की बात करें, वो उसमें कितने changes आए, and what are the new avenues or opportunities that you are exploring now?
A lot of doors that never opened for me before are opening now. Touch wood. I've spent a lot of nights waiting outside people's offices. मैंने सीढ़ियों पर रात गुजारे, गराजेस में रात गुजारे मैंने, एंड यही अपॉर्चुनिटी वेट कर रहा था कि एक बार मुझे सुन लीजिए. एंड टुडे एटलीस्ट मे बी द वर्क फ्रंट पे तुरंत फोन करके मुझे नहीं बुलाएंगे कोई, मतलब बुला नहीं रहे होंगे, बट एटलीस्ट माय मैसेजेस आर रिप्लाइड टू, my calls are answered. If I go to meet someone, they meet me with a certain level of warmth. And I think जो होता है, I think gradually step by step doors will open for me. And यही आशा है मेरी कि जैसे बढ़ रही है चीजें आगे, जैसे things are changing for me in a positive manner. I just hope that this continues because I've worked for it. I've worked really hard for it. I've struggled a lot. And now that that time has come when things are changing, I just want it to go very smoothly, and I am just praying for my big break, my the big life-changing moment. Of course, Big Boss has been my life-changing moment. It's put me on the map. But the big Bollywood break that I've been looking for, I hope that it happens soon because yes, now धीरे धीरे चीजें हो रही है. So वो Bollywood break अगर मिल जाए तो I'm waiting for it, and I'm hoping that someone will think that I'm good enough for them to sing, like I'm good enough for them, and they might give me a song. So let's see how it goes.
So John, you tell me, you have done a reality show, but your core strength is obviously बात है, सबको पता है कि singing, and you want to go in that front. But what if you're offered more reality shows or TV projects? Are you open to taking them?
Honestly, what you said, I think I agree with the first part, not the second part. My goal is actually Bollywood, and my goal is to be a great musician that people remember for, like how आज भी किशोर दा आशा जी दादा जी, रफी साहब, इन सब का नाम आज भी लिया जाता है. They've been in the industry for so long, so I aspire to be someone like that, जिनका नाम लोग सदियों तक याद रखे. And I think reality shows, I think Big Boss करने के बाद, it's like Big Boss is like the highest biggest reality show. Like it's like आप entrance exam दे रहे हो तो पहला entrance exam ही IIT दे रहे हो. It's like that, it's like the ultimate reality show. So I think Big Boss करने के बाद I don't think I would be looking forward to any reality show further. But yes, if it's music related, if it's something related to singing, and if they call me as a guest or something like that, I would love to go. But not more than that, actually. I think because my focus is Bollywood and playback singing, so मुझे Big Boss ने वो पद पे लाकर रख दिया है where I can go ahead and at least my dreams look within my reach now.
Right.
So I think अब मुझे उन dreams को chase करना है, because Big Boss से बड़ा I think reality show कुछ हो नहीं सकता. So I think I started off only with such a big show. इसके बाद क्या ही करूँ.
Right. And we also saw in your journey in Big Boss house that Salman Khan supported you very मतलब a lot. अगर देखा जाए, चाहे वो आपके सिंगिंग को प्रेस करने की बात हो, या फिर जब नेपोटिज्म का वो पूरा मांजरा हुआ था उसको बहुत ब्यूटीफुली क्लियर करने की बात हो, या आपके सिंगिंग को प्रेस करने की बात, तोशी ने, आपने और राहुल ने गाया था, तभी भी बहुत उन्होंने प्रेस किया था आपकी सिंगिंग को. सो उनके फ्रंट से कुछ हुआ, उनसे कोई बात हुई आफ्टर पार्टी में, क्या आप मिले बिग बॉस खत्म होने के बाद? what was the
yes,
what
yes.
was his reaction?
I met Salman sir at the finale also, and I met sir at the party, after party, and sir had a lot of things to say. And Salman sir being one of those people who's been in the industry for so long, he's been there, he's done that, he's seen everything there is to see, I feel. तो sir ने मुझे एक ही चीज बोला कि just focus on your work, क्योंकि you will be one of the biggest singers in the country. And that confidence that sir showed me, that he has in me, I think that is my fuel for my entire career. I feel like whenever I there have been times when I feel low, or I feel like things aren't going right, but that sentence that sir had said to me in the after party Big Boss ka, that comes into my ear, and I'm like, okay, if Salman Khan sir thinks that you can be one of the greatest in the country, I think you should actually focus on that, and उस पे ही मेहनत करना चाहिए. So definitely Salman sir has told me a lot of things, but afterwards sir has become, sir has been busy with Radhe and then Tiger, and Pathan also, Antim is also there. So sir से उतनी बातचीत नहीं हो पाई है. I've not been able to contact stay in contact with sir. But I'm guessing, when the time is right, and if sir thinks I'm worthy enough, sir definitely reach out to me, and I'm just waiting for that day, honestly, because that would be a dream for me that comes true.
And your mother has been a pillar of strength for you. We saw how she supported you. She fought for you when you were inside the house and everything. How proud she is, now. She has seen the amazing confidence you showed in the Big Boss house. जब आप गेस्ट बन के भी गए, कनेक्शन बन के भी गए, जिस तरीके से आपने सपोर्ट किया वो टिकट टू फिनाले वाले टास्क में, now how proud she is.
My mom, I don't know actually how proud she is, but she's very happy about how I have transformed, how the change in me that Salman sir spoke about. And I think there is a pro and a con to everything. I feel there is always a positive and a negative. Positive ये है कि I learned the ways of the world when I was in Big Boss. I got to know a lot of things, I got to learn a lot of things. I think वो 2 साल में मुझे कुछ 4 साल जिंदगी के एक्सपीरियंसेस मिल गए, क्योंकि हर तरह के पहलू देख लिए मैंने लोगों के, कैसे टाइप के लोग हैं. And that was pretty evident when I entered the house the second time, because a lot of people told me कि यार इतना बड़ा फर्क आ गया, and you've completely become someone else.
Yeah.
You've matured out. You're so much like, you know, more mature and calm and composed. So I think that change my mom is really happy about. And yeah, there are a certain thing, like, you know, number of things that she's not happy about. I've become much more quieter now. I've become a bit you know, शांत हो गया हूँ. Calm भी, yeah, calm हो गया हूँ. And I don't like talking much. I don't like you know, जैसे घर में पहले मैं पूरा टाइम बवाल करते रहता, चिल्लम चिल्ली, you know, there is something or the other that I used to keep doing. And my family used to be like, यार इसको चुप कराओ यार, ये कब से क्या मतलब चिल्लम चिल्ली. My brothers, so work from home was happening, so my brothers would have their interviews and everything, and मैं कुछ भी you know, कुछ भी करते रहता था पूरा टाइम. But अभी you know, I've become एकदम
Quite.
like, so my mom, my brothers, they tell me कि यार वो चीज है जो we miss.
They
तू
miss,
इतना शांत
हाँ.
हो गया. Yeah, they like you know, become awfully quiet and everything. But I guess that's a part of growing up and, you know, maturing out. So yeah, my mom is happy about it, and I'm also happy about the way things have turned for me. I got to see a lot of things. I got to learn how people are. I got to learn कि, you know, इंसान की परख जो होती है वो मुझे आई, सीखने को मिली. Because मैं यही समझता था कि इंसान मैं जैसा हूँ वैसे ही है बाकी सब, you know, मतलब straight forward, सीधा simple जो भी. But I got to know a lot of new things about a lot of people, so I learned a lot from Big Boss, and my mom is pretty happy about that change in me.
Also, you know, we saw a lot of ups and downs in your and Nikki's bond. You know, you guys initially became so close friends, then there was friction, फिर बातचीत बंद, you know, totally. फिर जब आप second innings में गए, there was more maturity and bonding भी काफी अच्छी लग रही थी. You supported her, and you know, she could win that ticket to finale because all the strategies that you guys put in together. Then after coming out of the house, we saw a bond beginning, you know, a beginning of a new bond. फिर rumors started floating that, you know, you guys are dating or ये वो and all, and then you know, Nikki gave a few quotes and all. How's the bond now? Are you in touch with her? She
No,
recently
not.
went through a, you know, she suffered a huge loss in person.
I know. Yeah. I did reach out to her, and you know, I gave her my condolences. I got to know about Jatin's demise.
Yeah.
But oh, we are not in touch, and I'm good. I'm good with it, because I honestly wouldn't want to waste my time talking about it, talk about her, because again, there's no point in, you know, addressing these issues. People have heard her side of the story, and they are very you know, okay with it. I wouldn't want to open my mouth because that's not how I am. I would rather you know, let this entire thing pass, because I wouldn't want to waste any more time talking about her. So yeah, I mean, that's it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, John. It was pleasure talking to you. All the best for your career, and I just hope and pray जो एक मौके की, आप बड़े मौके की तलाश में हैं, वो आपको जल्द से जल्द मिले.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please give me your
Thank you.
blessings and your love, and I just hope I can make it as big as, you know, my dad has made it in the industry.
Yeah, sure.
Right.
Thank you so much. It was pleasure talking to you. Take care of yourself.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks. Bye.